So in this class, we will learn about the website and a web browser and a web page and www. Okay, mean World Wide Web. Okay, so first website. What is a website? Website is a collection of web pages. Okay, what is mean by web pages? Web pages mean when you browse an internet, there you'll show a page. A page mean we call it as the place where images, videos, and multimedia files information are being provided in the form of a book. Okay, when you turn a example like in a book, right? In a book there is a page, isn't it? What is there in the page? There is an information or a picture, right? Same way in this website there is a picture, information, or a videos or a multimedia files. Information is provided to you in the form of a book. Okay, that is called website. Example, on the right side of the on the top of the right side there is a page, isn't it? That is called website. Okay, a website is a collection of web pages, image, videos, and multimedia files which provides information in the form of a book. Okay, just like a book, this provide information in the form of a book. Just like in a book there is a page. Okay, that is called, we call web page, or it's called, we call it website. Okay, so next, web browser, right? What is web browser? Web browser is an application software. Okay, web browser is an application software which enables the user to access or retrieve or and view the documents present on the internet. Okay, what is web browser? Web browser is a software. Okay, it's an app, we call it, in a smartphone, right? Do you know what is Chrome? It is called a web browser. Mozilla Firefox, that is called web browser. Google Chrome, that is a web browser. Internet Explorer, that is a web browser. So that is a software on an app of in a computer. Okay, that allows to access and retrieve or view the documents present on the internet. Okay, some major browser are Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and Opera. Okay, these are the different apps, okay, that is available to browse in the, so in the down below that there is a example of Internet Explorer, and then on the right side there is a Google Chrome, right? So these are the example of Internet Explorer, or we call it web browser. Okay, these are the apps which we use to access, means which we use for accessing the information on a website, is called web browser. Okay, okay, on the right side, on the top right side, that is the example of Mozilla Firefox. Okay, that is the logo. That is a round, right? And then orange color in between, that is the logo of the browser. Okay, and next on the on the right side there is Opera, that is Opera web browser. Okay, so next, web page. What is a web page? A web page is loaded when you type a web address in a web browser. A web page may contain many types of information in the form of text, images, graphics, animation, and sound. Okay, what is a web page? A web page is an information contains in the form of text, images, graphics, animation, and sound. That is called web page. Okay, on the right side you can see the web page. So these are the information or the file or the graphics, animation, text. It may also contain sound, or we call it video, right? Video of a or a video, right? So that is web pages. Next, World Wide Web, right? www. How many W are there? 3, right? World Wide Web. We call it World Wide Web. What is World Wide Web? World Wide Web is the page or the address of the web page, okay, which collects the information across the world and then present it in the form of a website through internet. So this, without this World Wide Web, you won't be able to access into any web page, or you cannot be able to browse in any web browser. Without any web page, you cannot browse in an web browser, or we call it website. This is called website, okay, website. And then when you browse into the website, then we get the web page, and then when we get the web page, then only we get the information, isn't it? So where there is a address, and then first of all you'll need a address. After that you'll need a, or we call it website, okay, website. World Wide Web, this is called a website, okay. And then you'll need a web page, and then you'll need a browser. So these three are interconnected with each other, in which any of this is absent, then you won't be able to browse any net, or it will show you an error in the computer or in a browser, okay. So internet chapter, how much, what is it, chapter 6, internet. This has been this chapter is completed now. I'll send all the essential Q&A, question and answer, fill in the blanks, okay, by tomorrow.